Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news for today. Saleng is set for a shock move ahead of the 2025-26 season. I didn't see this one coming. Orlando Pirates are in advanced talks with Orbit College over a loan move for Monnapule Saleng, according to SABC Sport report. The 27-year-old speedster hasn't featured for the Buccaneers since December 2024, when he played against Al Ahly in the CAF Champions League group stage at Orlando Stadium. However, he did feature for Bafana Bafana in the CHAN qualifiers for the first leg in April before being recalled by the club. It looked like the player and the club had smoked the peace pipe after a contractual saga that saw him miss training on numerous occasions and eventually being dropped from the squad. However, he never returned playing, and Orlando Pirates never addressed the reason for his non-selection publicly. Now, with the transfer window in full swing, SABC Sport report that Saleng is close to returning to a newly promoted club, Orbit College, the club who launched his career on a loan move this window. Saleng played 70 games under the leadership of Jose Riviero and contributed 25 goals and 17 assists, helping the side to win 3 MTN 8 trophies and 2 Nedbank trophies. So let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of this move? Should it happen for Saleng to go back to the club that launched his career on a loan move? Do you think that this loan move would be a good move for him and also for Orlando Pirates? Remember, he really needs game time, especially with the AFCON coming in December. Definitely he wants to go back to Bafana Bafana. This is a shocker, honestly. I expected Saleng to move to a bigger club like probably a Kaizer Chiefs, but obviously Orlando Pirates wouldn't want to strengthen the opposition, so it makes sense why Saleng isn't going to a bigger club like Kaizer Chiefs. Let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of this move? Should it happen for Monnapule Saleng to go to Orbit College? Do you think that this would be a downgrade on his career? Honestly, he's one of the most important players at Orlando Pirates. It's sad to see how his career has stalled in recent months. According to reports, Zamalek is considering to sign former Al Ahly star Percy Tau. Tau, who is 31 years old, is currently a free agent and enjoyed 4 seasons in Egypt at Al Ahly, making 126 appearances with 44 goal contributions. So Zamalek are seriously considering him to bolster their attack. So what do you think of this move? Should Tau go to Egypt again, or do you think that he should come back to the PSL? Let me hear your thoughts down below. In other news, TS Galaxy has confirmed that Bosnian striker Zenan Zajmović has left the club alongside Keegan Dolly. So Keegan Dolly, who is a very experienced player, spent a season at TS Galaxy after parting ways with Kaizer Chiefs. He is a free agent once again. Where do you think that Keegan Dolly should go? And the Bosnian striker Zenan Zajmović had a very great season at TS Galaxy, scoring 11 goals. So I think that teams in the PSL will want his signature because we know that he's a very good player. So let me hear your thoughts down below. Where do you think Zajmović should go? Rhulani Mokwena is a wanted man in North Africa. Algerian League 1 champions Maloudia club, the Alger, have made contact with Rhulani Mokwena over their vacant head coach role. MC Alger have won the league back-to-back after ending a 13-year drought in the Algerian top flight. However, they are currently without a head coach after Khalid Ben Aya left the club upon the expiry of his short-term contract, after a season where MC Alger won the Super Cup and the league title. It has been suggested that the club is looking forward to a new project to further the development of the club. So Mokwena has been linked with a move to MC Alger, but we know that even Pyramids are also looking for him. So which team do you think that Rhulani Mokwena should go to? MC Alger or Pyramids? Yeah, both are big teams. Yeah, so honestly, I think either teams that is going to take is going to be a very big project. Yeah, so let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of this story? So yeah, that's the end of the news for today. See you next time.